and scrub at the same time. G'day folks, welcome to Modman's Mad Minute. Now, one of the key components to the G-force is ability for it to go 0 degree. 0 degree handle on the G-force gives it its name, basically. It's G-force gyro effect. So what I'm going to do on this panel is I'm going to start at the top, I'm going to flush, then I'm going to spin it back to rinse. So in effect what happens is this pane of glass gets a rinse and a scrub on the way down, and then back to the top, back down again, it gets another scrub and a final rinse, basically in 2 strokes. So with the G-force upside down and the rinse bars at the bottom, I'm going to give it it's getting an initial rinse and scrub at the same time. But it's primarily rinsing off any loose dirt, any loose debris. Now I'm spinning it back to the top with the rinse bar at the top, and it's getting another scrub, another agitation on the way down, but now it's getting its final rinse because the rinse bar is at the top. Final click there, and that's that panel done. So my man, give that a go.